Dongguan Qisheng Technology Company Limited is a specialized manufacturer of smart locks, digital door locks, facial recognition door lock, hotel door locks, cabinet locks, and access control system. Equipped with an advanced assembly production line and state-of-the-art machinery, including laser marking equipment, we deliver high-quality products tailored to diverse customer needs. We aim to provide the innovative electronic door locks for the commercial and residential market. We focus on quality, continuous service, and cost-effective solutions through advanced technology and high-efficiency security systems. We are committed to delivering products of exceptional quality, certified with CE, RoHS, and FCC standards. Our factory is ISO 9001 qualified, ensuring rigorous quality management. With a professional R&D team, offering OEM, ODM with custom logo, custom package, and custom designs, integrating with systems like Opera for high-class hotel projects. We offer a full range of services, from product purchase to sales support, including HD photos, videos, product information. We have successfully exported our products to over 100 countries, including United States, Mexico, Colombia, Australia, Russia, Europe, India, Saudi Arabia, Thailand. Our principle is high quality, competitive price, fast delivery, payment safe and professional service. We are dedicated to advancing the smart lock industry through technological innovation while maintaining our unwavering commitment to quality and service excellence. Partner with us for intelligent security solutions that redefine access control.